Hi my friends, today we model this part made of aluminum, and this is the drawing, and we start by creating this contour. I made for you the first sketch. This is the first sketch. You can create this contour as the first sketch in your model. Finish sketch, extrude 20. This is the dimension 20 for extruding. We continue by creating this bottom features by using another sketch. I made it for you, and we make visible that new sketch. Once again, extrude for this, and this closed contours to this face with join. Okay. Other features are fillets, radius 16, placed up and also down here, radius 16. We select edges, we apply 16, then we place fillets and 4 edges. Next is this pocket. You see here the contour. We'll use dimension from here, but I already made a new sketch, the third one, for you. We make it visible and we apply extrude of 12. You see here. Extrude this area with cut on 12. Okay. Now we place fillets inside. Here also radius 16. Not this. Press the shift and eliminate this. Then this one, this, and this. Okay. Another feature is this cylinder. 32 is the diameter and the face is the same. This face, new sketch, circle 32, extrude to this face. Okay. Next is this rib. 4 millimeters is the thickness and 9 millimeters from the bottom of the pocket. We select the same plane. We project this arc F7 and we draw a rectangle with a thickness of 4 millimeters. The midpoint of the bottom is coincident with the center point, and the horizontal is tangent to this. You see, we need to have some dimension inside the material, not outside. Finish sketch, extrude this on 9 millimeters. Okay. Other two ribs are placed at 110. Then circular pattern of the last feature about this axis, not 6 but 3, symmetrical, not 360 but 110. Okay. Now we have to apply this small rib placed here. The section is the same, 4 on 9. We select this face for a new sketch, F5 to see what to do here. Project this face. This is the projection. This face, another projection. Then this face and also this edge. Now we have a close contour here. Extrude. Inventor finds that close contour to this. You see? Okay. Now we have to place these 7 holes with this definition, 10, 6.5, 4.4, and they are placed in the centers of each feature with a center. To do this, we select this face as a new sketch. We project all this area and we select this point, press the Control key, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to apply this shape or this point. Why? Because now we have automatic placement of the holes. What kind of hole? This kind of hole. What is this diameter? 10. What is this diameter? 6.5. Oh, 6.5. And what is the depth? 4.4. All the 7 are the same. And take care of hole through the part. Another hole is this, with diameter of 20. One note is here, undimensioned fillets are reduced to a lot of 2 millimeters fillet. Hole, no counterbore, through the part, this face, this center, diameter of 20. Okay. Now we place fillets, a lot of fillets. 2 is by default. We start with this internal fillets, then this one, this one, this vertical, a lot, yes. And then here, then this one and this one, plus this, 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 I am careful, but it is possible to miss some of them. I hope that all corners or edges have selected. Okay, let's see what is the volume, my friends. Properties, physical, update this volume, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is this. Maybe I missed some fillets here. We keep this new value because this is what we did today together. The material of this part is aluminum AHC. Then the view with the default lights instead of the other. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.